forecast.
Good morning. I'm meteorologist Sabrina Fine in for Lynette Charles. Temperatures today are going warmer than normal, so a lot of kids can get outside and run around, maybe ride their new bikes they got for Christmas. We are going to watch, though, a series of cold fronts move through the area this week. Normally, this time of year, we're at about 43 degrees. Similar to where we were yesterday. We will not be there today. In fact, we will be 10 degrees warmer than normal for us. Not going to last for too long, though. Like I said, there are some fronts in our forecast. Temperatures right now, around 33 City. Good morning to you in Haverty Grace at 34, and out toward Annapolis, you're looking at 40 degrees. Look at the temperature difference from the last 24 hours. These numbers here are anywhere from around 7 to 12 degrees warmer than where we were just yesterday at this time, an indication of how warm the air mass is, all thanks to a southwesterly wind flow ahead of a cold front. You can see that boundary now marching its way throughout portions of Ohio, stretching out over toward Kentucky. This is just hours away, and what we're going to see from it really is just going to be an increase in cloud coverage. It's just too dry for any rainfall to form for us here, but we will notice temperatures usually ahead of the boundary peaking, and that's why we'll get into the lower 50s. I think that front moves through closer to right around the midnight area, and then the winds shift directions, and boy, does it usher in that colder air. Temperatures falling back down into the 40s, plus it's going to be gusty. We could see winds gusting up to 20 miles per hour, and that's going to make it feel even cooler to the skin. So for today, before that boundary arrives, you'll notice right around 11 a.m., 43 degrees. The mix of sun and clouds for you at around 3 o'clock, you're now looking at 49 degrees. Now, notice what happens tomorrow when we start out in the morning with the winds. This is what it will feel like to your skin, feeling like 16 degrees out toward Bel Air. Parkton feeling like 15. So not only do we have that much colder air mass, but we have those winds. Sustained, I'd say 10 to 15, but really watching for those gusts. By 1 o'clock, feeling like degrees in Stevensville. So it does look like Tuesday's the day. If you got any of those thick, nice sweaters, that's the day to wear them that you got for, say, Christmas. Then by 5 o'clock, I think the winds are going to die down just a bit. So this model, I think, indicating a little bit too cold of an air mass. Go ahead and make it feel about 5 degrees warmer. So that's going to make it feel like in Essex closer to about 26 degrees. But no matter which way you slice it, it's cooler than normal. That's for sure. And definitely feeling that way. Your 7-day forecast, though, showing you how Tuesday, while we are going to be cool, 43 degrees. We stayed mild as well. And now jumping up Thursday and Friday to 56 and then 64 for the first day of the new year. However, rain is in the forecast as you ring in the holiday. That's look at your 7-day forecast. Let's check those roads. Good morning, Lauren.